Okay, where did the cosines and sines come into play?
Well, this is going back to the unit circle. And then putting in our roots of unity. We have some, if we look at the sum here, we can see that it's definitely not going to have an imaginary part to it because the roots are reflected with each other across the real axis.
Okay.
And that means we just need to look at the distances in the real direction. So this angle here is 72 degrees. So the distance, call it this one distance here is cosine of 72 degrees. Going this way, or also this is also the distance here. Since you're going backwards, you'd be subtracting. And since adding another 72 degrees brings you around to 144, 180 minus 144 is 36. So this angle here is 36 degrees. So you'd be subtracting cosine of 36 degrees. And add another cosine 72 and subtract another cosine 36. Now if we go...
Before you erase, you only have 4 terms here.
Oh, we also have a 1.
Where'd the 1 come from?
This root here.
Yeah, okay. So we're trying to figure out what this sum is, yeah.
So, if we look at a pentagon, since the interior angles of a pentagon are divide them up like this. 72. Actually, I think the interior angles are 108, so 54 degrees here. So we can see that one interior angle is 108.
Yeah.
That means this here, this distance across here is cosine of 72. And then we drew in this triangle here. This is 108. This angle up here would be, alright, 72, so it would be 18 degrees. So you have 108 plus 18, that's 126 degrees. So the remaining is 54. And then you already have a 90-degree angle here, so this angle is 36. And then the horizontal distance you're going across is cosine of 36. So this shows that if you start from 1, adding cosine of 72, subtracting cosine of 36 gets you to 1/2. And that means if we did it again, we'd get back to 0, since this is using all of our terms.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so that would be what the sum is, and then you just add the 1 left over. Or That would be what 1z plus c, 1 plus z plus c squared plus c cubed plus c to the fourth equals.
Okay, cool, yeah. That's really nice reasoning, and that shows actually that cosine of 36 degrees minus cosine of 72 degrees is a half,
Yep.
which is a neat, fun fact. And that's really cool. That's nice work on this. It's a neat intersection of geometry and trig and complex numbers.
Yeah, it is.
That's really good job. Nice work.